Hello, my name is Brennan Nicholson. Today I will be teaching you how to prepare Innovation vegetable fried rice. The microwave is the preferred method. So anyway, as the instructions say, place a vending bag of rice in the microwave with the proper side facing up, note printing on the bag. Heat on high for 5 minutes or until hot. So this will soon be littered all across Griffin Meinberg's car. So I will be putting it in the microwave. Obviously, it says the proper side facing up. This side's supposed to be down. So therefore, this will be the side that is facing up. So I will now open the microwave. I will put this side up. The side that says that needs to be up in the fucking microwave. I'm gonna fucking close the door. And then, I'm gonna heat it on 5 minutes. That is 500. And I will start it. And here we go. See you guys in 5 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Leave comments below. And give, fried rice is almost done. Anyway, so there's 1 minute 30 seconds left. It's gonna be good. I found some cocaine in my drawer in my bedroom. I put a little mixture of that in it, and I think it's gonna be really good. So we'll see. Fried rice. So anyway, it's in the microwave right now. So we're gonna take a look right here. 4 seconds left. We grinding though. Fried rice in the microwave though. Yeah. Fried rice in the microwave, bro. Yeah, it's in the microwave right now. Tune in. So this shit done, bro. That's it in right there. So we're gonna open the microwave. And we're gonna take it out real quick. There's a fried rice down there. And then yeah, it's done. It's done right there. My dog was looking at me and shit. Yeah. Fried rice done though. That's all that matters, bro. So anyway, we gonna get a plate. A plate. Yeah, a plate, bro. Gonna get that fork out, bro. Fork. Good for eating and shit. Healthy eats, bro. Healthy eats. So now we're gonna open up this shit. You know what the fried rice doing? Yeah, it's fried rice. So we gonna open this shit. I don't know who that was, bro. I'm pour this shit out. Oh my god. Yeah, that ain't me though. My dog and shit looking at me. Yeah, she looking at me and shit. Yeah, bro. Yeah, weird as fuck, bro. We out here in the hood, though.